Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today we're making a smoked prime rib beef roast. Let's do it. All I'm going to do is put some simple seasoning on here. Generous amount of salt, because the salt will burn off and it'll create a crust. Salt all sides, and pepper. Salt and pepper up good. So it'll roughly take about 2 to 3 hours in the smoker, and then I'm going to finish it off in power oven. And we'll try to get a temperature of 135 and 140. Will be for a nice medium roast onto the smoker. And the wood chips I'll be using maple and some hickory. 2 different types. It'll nice roast. Toss our rib roast on. Toss it on. Kind of fat side up and bone side down. Perfect. A good 2 hours and we'll have a look at it. Roast is looking good. See the roast, it has a beautiful crust on it. Now finish it off in the power oven, but it has a nice smoke on there. Take a temperature here, 140, sitting at about 125. Put it on the tray. Some juices in there. Oh yeah, perfect. Toss it in. Half hour, 375. The smoked prime rib beef roast is done. Pull it out. Look at that. Yummy. The lovely roast. Nice crust. Prime rib roast.